Hello, I'm Christopher. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create product discounts and product badges in WooCommerce. To create discounts, I'll use the discount rules and dynamic pricing for WooCommerce plugin. It's beginner-friendly yet advanced, allowing you to create percentage and price discounts, product and category discounts, bulk and quantity-based discounts, BOGO deals like buy 2 get 1 free, product bundles, group discounts, and much more. Let's begin. First, download the discount plugin from asanaplugins.com, the link is available in the video description. Let's create a percentage discount for products and categories. After installing the plugin, navigate to the Woo Pricing Discounts menu, then open the Pricing tab. Next, click the Add from Template button, choose the targeted sale campaign, and then click the Add Campaign button to create it. In the message field, set a message for the campaign. This message will be shown on the product page. You can also leave it blank. Now choose percentage to give a percentage discount, or price discount to give a fixed dollar amount off. After choosing the discount type, set the discount amount in the adjustment field. Under the Discounted Products section, you can apply the discount to specific products, variations, categories, attributes, or tags. Let's choose Products in List to give the discount to specific products, and then select the products. Now click the OR button to give the same discount to product variations. Select Product Variations in List and choose the variations that should be discounted. To apply the same discount to entire product categories, simply add a new condition called Categories in List. Then select the categories you want to include in the discount. Under the Date and Time section, you can schedule the discount for specific dates, times, or days of the week. In this example, I've scheduled the discount. Now click the Save button to save your campaign. When you open the product page, both the applied discount and the countdown timer are clearly displayed, giving customers a clear view of the active offer. Now take a look. The discount is successfully applied to the specific product we chose, the variation, and the category we selected, all working exactly as configured. Let's add a percentage badge to highlight discounted products. First, download the Product Badges and Sale Booster plugin from asanaplugins.com. It creates badges, countdown timers, notifications, and more to boost sales. After installing the badge plugin, go to the Sale Booster menu, open the Badges tab, and click Add New to create a badge. Now set a name for the badge in the name field. In the CSS Labels section, choose one of the available styles under Label Styles. Now copy the saved percent placeholder and paste it into the label field. As you can see, a 20% example discount appears in the preview section. On the product page, the percent discount will be calculated based on the actual discount amount. In the Modern Badges section, you can choose from several available designs. Let's use a modern badge instead of a simple CSS badge. Now copy the saved percent placeholder and paste it into the label field. As you can see, a 20% example discount appears in the preview section. Open the Products and Conditions tab to select the discount rule we created earlier in this video. Choose the discount rule from the available conditions. Now search for and select the discount rule by the name we gave it earlier in this video. Let's save the badge after you finish the design. As you can see, the percentage badge is clearly displayed on both the product listing page and the individual product page, making the discount easy to notice. Let's create a quantity-based discount. The more quantity users buy, the more discount they get, which encourages more sales. In the pricing campaign templates, select the bulk category, then choose the bulk savings campaign. After that, click the Add Campaign button to create the campaign. Now you can edit the campaign name to anything you like. I'll stick with the default name. In the message field, you can set a message to be shown on the product page. You can add a custom message or leave it blank for no message. Under the Quantities section, edit the default quantity ranges and their associated discounts to your desired settings. You can give a percentage or price discount per range. Here, I'll edit the last range and also add another range to it. You can add extra ranges using the Add button, or delete ranges using the Delete button next to each one. Under the Discounted Products section, you can select products, product variations, categories, tags, or attributes to apply the discount to specific items. Here, I'll select specific products and product variations to give the discount on them. Under the Date and Time section, you can schedule the discount for specific dates, times, or days of the week. I'll leave it blank for an unscheduled discount. It is done. Let's save the campaign to see it in action. Let's open the product page to see the result. As you can see, the quantity table and the message are shown properly on the product page. The discounts are correctly applied to the product when the user changes the quantity. Each range has a different discount, and the plugin properly updates the product price based on the selected range. After adding products to the cart, the discount is properly applied based on the discount specified for that range. Finally, let's create a buy 2 get 1 free gift deal for products. To do this, from the available pricing templates, select the BOGO category. Then choose the buy 2 get 1 free campaign and click the Add Campaign button to create it. Now you can edit the campaign name to anything you like. I'll stick with the default name. In the message field, you can set a message to be shown on the product page. You can add a custom message or leave it blank for no message. Under the Purchase Rules section, edit the buy and get quantities along with the associated discount type and amount. I'll stick with the default values to create a buy 2 get 1 free gift deal. Under the Discounted Products section, you can select products, product variations, categories, tags, or attributes to apply the deal to specific items. Here, I'll select specific products to create a buy 2 get 1 free deal for them. Under the Date and Time section, you can schedule the discount for specific dates, times, or days of the week. I'll leave it blank for an unscheduled discount. It is done. Let's save the campaign to see it in action. As you can see, buy 2 get 1 free message is properly shown on the product page. Let's add 2 quantities to the cart to see the result. It's fantastic. The free product is automatically added to the cart. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please check the video description for the dynamic pricing for WooCommerce plugin link. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WooCommerce related videos.